2010 Toyota Sienna. Do a oil change. Here's a filter cap for the drain. Hopefully get the camera on this side. Probably over torqued. Got a new washer to put on here. Alright. Near back. Had to make a quick run to the store because we didn't have this special wrench. So, got that now. Hopefully, I don't need it. Hopefully this. I finally got this loosened. Let's see if I can get the rust off my hand. Okay. Yeah, there's that. The old filter. Pull this out. These two ones here. So this one's got a part O-ring that's supposed to go here that was missing when I took this off. And then maybe popped off later. Check maybe it's over there. At the moment, I haven't seen it, so we got a new O-ring for here. The old O-ring off. Let's wipe this down. Alright. New filter. It's the same on both ends. This one. And we'll put this back on. This. Okay. Get that started. Installed. Put that in. I put a little bit of oil through here to help us flush any extra stuff out. Let's see. I guess it wasn't according to that. We got all this tightened back up. I'm going to tighten the drain plug back up. Put a new crush washer in there. I don't want to over tighten this one either. These get over tightened a lot of times at the shops. And now we gotta refill it with oil. be settling still. Let that settle and check again just to see if we need to add a little bit more. That's cat back there. Start video too, but let it run through a little bit.